Tuna casserole is often made with white sauce, but here I'm making it really easy using cream of soup. Imagine your tuna casserole topped with crisp grated potatoes. First, grate your potatoes. Top with boiling water, this part cooks them. Add a dash of vinegar to keep them white and also help with the crispiness. Mix well, you want to distribute that vinegar. Put the water on for your pasta. Drain your tuna. Cream of mushroom soup, cream of celery soup, sour cream, and just a dash of milk. Mix well. A little bit of truffle mustard. And to enhance the truffle flavour, some truffle oil. Some grated cheese mix. Freshly grated cheese would have been better. Cook the pasta, and when it's just under, drain it. Into the saucepan you boiled your pasta in. Add your sauce mix, some tuna, and of course your cooked pasta. I used 1.5 bags for this recipe, but 1 bag would have been enough. I did use spirals, but maybe a small rigatoni would have held up better. Keep layering and mixing to ensure you mix it well. Be careful not to break up the tuna too much. Taste. Spoon the mixture into greased dishes. You can do 1 large one, but I've done 1 medium and 2 smaller, so I've got a couple to freeze for later. Drain the grated potato and use a cloth to help you squeeze out any excess moisture. Spread out well on a baking sheet. I've dotted with butter and I'm going to mix that through. This is still hot, so the butter will melt. Add a dash of oil and some good table salt. Mix well. Layer on top of your casserole. Three lovely casseroles. For the 2 going into the freezer, I've oiled the underside of the lid so the potato doesn't stick. The big one I'm putting aside to bake later. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes until it's heated through and crispy brown on top.